Welcome back to our AI course, and let's keep learning about NLP. In this unit, we'll dive into text classification and sentiment analysis, two key tasks in natural language processing. We'll explore how AI algorithms categorize text and identify sentiment to extract insights from customer messages, product reviews, social media posts, and more. Text classification assigns a text to predefined categories. Common applications include categorizing customer messages, for example, to automatically assign them to an agent, spam detection, language identification, document classification to identify relevant documents, topic categorization, for example, to organize news articles into specific categories, and sentiment analysis, which we will discuss later. For effective text classification, we use several methods. First, preprocessing is crucial. This involves cleaning and normalizing the text through techniques such as tokenization, stemming, or lemmatization, and stop word removal. Next, in the feature extraction phase, we convert the text into numerical representations. Common methods include frequency-based approaches such as bag of words and TF-IDF, or embeddings such as word2vec. Once we have numerical representations, we move to the modeling phase, where we train and optimize the classification model. The method chosen depends on the complexity of the problem. Simple problems can be tackled with methods such as naive Bayes, support vector machines, or random forest, while more complex problems may require deep learning approaches. Finally, as with any classification task, evaluation of model performance is essential before deployment. Sentiment analysis extracts the emotions from text that are critical to understanding customer opinions and public perceptions. In online reviews and social media discussions, sentiment analysis complements traditional market research methods. The text analyzed typically comes from online sources such as product reviews, customer messages, social media posts, or forums. In practice, the problem is much more complex than just looking at positive or negative words. A common challenge is irony and sarcasm. An example could be, "Wow, what a great service! The meal took only 2 hours to arrive." Here, only positive words are used, but the sentiment is certainly negative. Another challenge is negation in context. For example, the sentence, "Initially nothing worked, but they managed to fix everything in the end, and now it's fine," shows a mixed sentiment. Sentences can be ambiguous. For example, if a customer says, "The food was interesting," it depends on the context whether it is a positive, neutral, or negative statement. A statement like, "The food was very tasty, but price for drinks was pretty high," contains mixed sentiments. The model must correctly identify and separate the two sentiments in the sentence. The interpretation of sentiment can also vary across cultures. What might be a negative comment in one culture might be seen as positive in another. As we have seen, sentiment analysis is a non-trivial problem that requires a deep understanding of language and context. Training such a model requires large amounts of data and complex model architectures. As a result, many companies offer pre-trained models that can be accessed directly or fine-tuned using transfer learning methods. For example, Google Cloud Platform offers the Natural Language API. In addition, large language models with their remarkable language understanding capabilities open up new possibilities for sentiment analysis. Today we covered text classification fundamentals, exploring its workflow and diverse applications. Our main focus was on sentiment analysis, where AI is used to extract important information about customer opinions and perception. Think about the specific challenges and consider large pre-trained models to accomplish this complex task. Stay tuned for more insights into the fascinating world of AI.